keep solving from problem 15 to maybe the end of section 3. Okay, so with problem 15 we have a pair of equation, so we're gonna try to solve it. So here, let's see. So we have a pair of equation. So the first equation is alright. So it is x equal to 1 minus 2y and 4y equal to x squared plus 3. So how many order pairs in the xy plane are the solution? So just basically you have to solve this one. So let's replace x with 1 minus 2y into x on the second equation. So we're gonna have, so let's call this equation 2. So we call equation 1, let's call this equation 2, and we're gonna substitute 1 into 2, so that's gonna be means that 4y is equal to 1 minus 2y square and plus 3. Okay, so we can expand this one. So 4y is now gonna be equal to 1 minus, okay, so what is gonna be 1 minus 4y plus 4y squared, because here you just do the expansion of a minus b squared, and that's plus 3, and because we have 4y here, so it's kind of a cancellation. No, it's not a cancellation. It is actually a we have to make it into an actual quadratic equation, right? So 4y squared, so minus 4y from both sides, minus 8y and plus 4 is equal to 0. So we divided everything for 4. So we're gonna have y squared minus 2y plus 1 is actually 0, and that's just y minus 1 square, is just equal to 0, and therefore you can deduce y minus 1 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 1 to 0, so y is equal to 1. Alright, so y is equal to 1, so and the answer is B. Okay, right, so B. Alright, I just use a pen, you know, draw this. Okay, so if 1 over a plus b, a plus 2b is 1/2, what is value of a plus 2b? So it's just half of it, it's just, you know, reverse, so it's just 1 over 5, it's just 1 over 5, or it is, you know, like 0.2, okay, so one of those two, so that's for the question 16, 0.2. okay, so 15, 16 done, and let's see, 17, yeah, 17 is, okay, so we have a figure here, and they ask us for x plus y, okay, so, alright, so here we have come a bunch of angles, and they ask us for the value of y plus z, y plus z, so okay, sorry, so let's just keep going. So here we have to ask about y plus c. So you can see this 40-degree angle, is the opposite angle of this angle, right? So this angle is also 40 degrees as well, right? Because there's some opposite angle. So this angle actually 40 degrees as well, 40. See? So now you can see that here y, z, and this 40 degree made up of a straight line, which is actually 180 degree. So for that, you can see that y plus the 40 degree angle and plus z is actually 180. So therefore y plus z is actually 140. Okay, 140. So the answer for 17 is 140. Okay, 140. Okay. Alright. Number 18. So c plus d is equal to negative 5 and c minus d is actually equal to negative 12. What is c squared minus d squared? Okay. So for the number 18, we have an identity that says c plus d times c minus d is actually equal to c squared minus d squared. So this is one of the identity. You can expand the left side and you can check it. So this side are actually equal. So let's plug the number in. So c minus d, c plus d is minus 5. C minus d is actually minus 12, right? So that's equal to, of course, c squared plus d squared. So that's equal to 60. And that's equal to c squared plus d squared, right? So the answer is 60, right? 60. Okay. Let me see. Alright, so let's move on to question 90. So 3 over 2x minus 2 over 3x is equal to 5 over 3. Okay, they asked us to solve for x. So 19. So okay, so we have that 3 over 2x minus 2 over 3x is equal to 5 over 3. So that is we have to x to be different from 0 because x is in the denominator. Okay, so we have to come to find the common denominator of 2x and 3x, and that should be 6x, right? So 6x. So if the denominator here turns to 6x, then we have to multiply by 3 here, right? So and this thing we have to multiply by 2. So it's going to be like this: 3 times 3 over 2x times 3. Alright, because it's legit because we multiply both the denominator and the numerator with 3. So 2 times 2 over 3x times 2, right? Times 2. Okay, and that's just 5 over 3. Okay, so that's actually 9 over 6x minus 4 over 6x, and that's actually equal to 5 over 3, right? Okay, so actually what you get is 5 over 3x is actually 5 over 3, right? So actually here you can see 3x is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 1. Okay, so you can see okay, so 3x here is equal to 3, so x is equal to 1, so 19 is 1. So that's very cool. And let's try to do 20. So they asked us to find the solution. We just have to solve it. So for the number 20, I think it's very similar to number 19. So 20. So you have that okay, so 7 times 2.5x minus 1.5 equal to 12 over 0.5x minus 0.3. Okay, so it's a minus here. So that's actually 17.5x minus 10.5. Okay, this is correct. Okay, it's equal to 6x minus 3.6. Okay, so that is, we can change x to be on one side and number to be on one side. So 17.5x minus 6x is equal to 10.5 minus 3.6. So here we're gonna get 11.5x equal to 9. So that's 9.9. Oh, this is kind of interesting. No, sorry, it's not 9.9, it's actually 6.9. Sorry, this is a miscalculation from my side. So x is equal to 6.9 over 11.5. So that is roughly, let's use a calculator. So 6.9 over 7.5 is, okay, 0.6. Yeah, that's 0.6. So the answer over 20 is 0.6. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check the answer out. So that's 0.6. So let's check the answer out. So from the 17 is 140, 18 is 60, alright, 19 is a half. Okay, I made some mistake here. It's a half, not 1. And 20 is 0.6 or 3 over 5. Okay, so it's 0.6. Alright, so let's see what is we wrong with number 19. So 3 over 2x. So they find out x to be a half, not okay, so not 1. Okay, so let's see number 19. So I'm gonna put the common denominator to be 6x. So okay, so I am sorry, it's 5 over 6x here, 6x because common denominator. I was making a wrong assumption. Equal to 5 over 3, that's correct. So 6x is equal to 3. So x is equal to a half. So the answer is actually a half. Sorry, my bad in the calculation. Yes. So a half is the answer for number 19. Alright. Number 2. Okay. So all the question I think I got it correct. For example, yeah, let's check it again. Number 17 is 140. Okay. 18 is 60. 19 is a half. Just check it. 20 is 3 over 2 or 0.6. Okay. Alright, so that's correct. Let's check the order. I have also done number 15 number 15 is 1, right? Number 15 is 1, the 16 is 0.2. 15 is 1, it's B, right? So it's B is 1, so 15 is B, that's correct. So 15 is B, that's correct. And 16 is 1.5 or 0.2, so that's correct as well. Okay, so yeah, so thank you very much for watching me. Have a good day.